This tip is related to substitution reaction of alkanes in which hydrogen atoms of an alkane are replaced by Cl atoms. Tip is number of hydrogen atoms that are going to replace by Cl atoms are equal to number of chlorine molecules, that is our second reactant, which is further equal to number of HCl molecules that are formed as byproduct. Let's write its chemical equation. As in question, ethane is there, so ethane formula is C2H6. It is going to react with two chlorine molecules, so it means two hydrogen atoms of ethane are going to replace by 2Cl plus 2 HCl molecules. Okay, here you can see two chlorine molecules, two hydrogen have been replaced by 2Cl, and two HCl molecules are formed as byproduct. So formula of our organic product is C2H4Cl2.